What is the difference between VyprVPN protocols? VyprVPN accounts include multiple VPN protocols so you can choose your preferred level of encryption, speed, and protection. We offer OpenVPN trademark, WireGuard registered, IKF2, L2TP/IPsec, PPTP, and Chameleon trademark. 1. PPTP has been removed. PPTP is a fast, easy-to-use protocol with a simple setup process. It is a good choice if OpenVPN trademark isn't supported by your device. 2. L2TP/IPsec has been removed. L2TP/IPsec is a protocol built into most desktop, phone, and tablet devices. We support both L2TP and IKF2 for IPsec, providing the highest performance, fast, secure, and reliable. It is a good choice if OpenVPN trademark isn't supported by your device and security is a top priority. 3. WireGuard Registered has been newly integrated into the latest v4.0. WireGuard Registered is the next generation, open-source VPN protocol that promises to meet the needs of users who desire the highest level of privacy, security, and speed. 4. OpenVPN Trademark. OpenVPN Trademark is the recommended protocol for desktops including Windows, Mac OS X, and Linux. Highest performance, fast, secure and reliable. 5. Chameleon Trademark. VyprVPN's Chameleon Trademark technology uses the unmodified OpenVPN 256-bit protocol and scrambles the metadata to prevent DPI, VPN blocking and throttling. 6. IKF2.